My name is Bridget Mlamba, an upcoming gospel artist and Papinoma industry gospel 2014 pandakatanga with the Charambas then ndakazoita my own album nonzi Zvamakareva 2018 rine 6 tracks. Then recently I did 3 singles kabva kulaunchwa zvavo just recent. Then I'm also a business minded lady who is into buying and selling of livestock. Then at the same time I also do events management, that is directing my ceremonies, being an MC. Then at the same time I also do voiceovers for advertising companies. Ndinotarisira ndine shure kuti in the next 2 years ndingewo ndasimukawo in the gospel industry, being the best gospel artist, and at the same time kwete anongoimba but anotominister zvichiitika to the lives of men, because that's what we are called for. Then at the same time in business side ndinohopa kuti business rangu rinenge richikurawo with God's intervention. So that's all about Bridget Mlamba. Thank you so much. I'm also looking forward to working with big brands, those that have made it in the music industry, and at the same time I'm hoping to release some more songs